Damian Lowe. Is Damian Lowe in big trouble? I think he's in major problems in this Jamaican team. I can't see Damian Lowe pushing his way back into the starting lineup. If you look at the situation last night, that was a must-win game against Grenada, and the coach chose to go with Michael Hector, who hasn't played for Jamaica in over 2 years, and Deshane Bernard. These are two players who are down the pecking order as far as Damian Lowe is concerned. When Ethan Pinnock returns, I also can't see Damian Lowe starting over Ethan Pinnock. And with Michael Hector's performance last night, I think Damian Lowe might be relegated to the bench captain going forward. I still think there's a role for Damian Lowe in this team. He should be a mentor for a lot of the young players coming in, as he has a lot of experience in CONCACAF. But if you also looked at the game last night, Jamaica has improved by not going long with the football. I can't remember the amount of times Jamaica went long in that game last night. The most Jamaica went long was down the left-hand side with Greg Lay making those long passes forward. Michael Hector was more accurate passing the football on the ground. He was more patient. He was more calm. Damian Lowe hasn't seemed to improve. He still make rash tackles and he still just loses it a bit. And I think the coach has had enough with Damian Lowe. We might have just seen the last of Damian Lowe as a starter for Jamaica. He has played for us for many years and he has fought vigilantly for Jamaica. However, I think that has come to an end as this is getting very serious now. Jamaica is looking to compete in the quarterfinals as Honduras and Cuba has drawn their game yesterday, and there's no way that Jamaica cannot qualify for the next round. So I think the coach want to shore up that center back position. So I can't see Damian Lowe starting for Jamaica again going forward unless there are major injuries. Let me know what you think down in the comment section if Damian Lowe should continue being the starter, because I know Damian Lowe still have a lot of fans out there. I'm your host, JT. Until next time.